Hello everybody and welcome to another lecture. In the previous lecture we discussed about the concept of block tag and inline tag. Now we know that any content we will write into the block tag, it will cover full screen width on your browser, even if there is a one character or if there is multiple character. Once the full screen width has been covered, then it will redirect the content automatically to the next line until it it will generate the content on the new line every time. Okay, and we also discussed an inline tag in which if we write any content inside the inline tag, like we discussed b tag or span tag actually. So these are the inline tag, and if you are passing any content into the inline tag, it will only cover the area which is required for the content written inside that particular tag. Okay, so I gave the example of this particular s. That means if I write multiple span tag, like if I create one more span tag here, and if I write t, and if you write another span tag p, and many thing more, you can pass line by line. And also let me write the same thing inside the p tag as well. In the one p tag I have s, another I have t, and in another I have p. Okay, so I have created 3 p tags with the stp content inside it, and I have created 3 span tag with the stp content inside it. And let's see what happens when the page reloads. Let me save it and let me reload my web browser. Okay, so now you can notice the content which is written inside the p tag, like this s is written inside the p tag, so it created a yes character on the browser. And after that we created another p tag here, and inside that p tag we written t. But because p is the block tag, so it is creating t in the next line. Then again p written inside this p is a block content, so it is jump to the next line. But if we focus on our span tag content, which is stp again, but in the 3 tags, even I have written it into the next line every time, it didn't affect it. It is only creating a single space between the 2 span tag, and it generates the content in the same line, and it will be going till your line is full. Once your line is completely full, it will automatically redirect it to the next line, but until your line is not full, it will not gonna be redirected into the next line. Okay, so now let's move on the another tag, which is inline tag. So like we have the span tag and like we have b tag, we also have few more inline content, like let's say mark tag, mark. This is the tag, and it is also non-self closing. You have to close the mark again with the forward slash, and anything you write inside the mark tag, let me write hello here and let me save it. Anything you will write, it will go into the same line until the line is full, because it is an inline tag. But there is one more feature about this tag. Here you can notice this hello is written on your browser screen with the yellow background, so this can be used for the highlighting. That's what the name suggests. It's a mark, it's a marking the content on your web page. So if you wanna use anything, like your you are highlighting your content on your notebook, the same purpose is serving for the same purpose there is a mark tag. Okay, so it is highlighting the content. You can use css to change the background color of any content of any tag, but until you don't know the css, you have this particular special tag which creates a stylish content on your screen with the yellow background. Okay, and after the mark tag we have another inline tag which is known as u or underline, and anything you will write here, like let me again write hello and let me save it and let me reload the page. It is creating a hello content with the same style, just the one difference is mark is with the highlighted background and this u tag is with the underline. That's what the name suggests, u for underline. Okay, now you can notice these things, these tags are not just inline tag, but it has also a specific style associated with these particular tags. So the mark tag is associated with the highlighted yellow background and this u tag is associated with the underlined content. So these tags are also called the formatting tags. Okay, so here sorry, these tags, this particular hello tag and this particular this particular mark tag written inside the hello, let me change the name from hello to mark and from hello to underline. So these mark and underline tag is known as the formatting tag. Okay, like this we have more formatting tags, like we have b that you already that we already discussed for the emmet here. That means anything you will write inside this tag, it will create a bolder content on your screen. If I write bold here and if I save and reload here, this is also inline and this is also formatting because it's creating a bold content on the screen. Okay, so after this we have del tag, which used to create the deleted content on your browser screen. So if I write delete here, sorry, let me save and let me reload the browser. Here the delete is actually overthrown with the line, intersecting it with the intermediate section. Okay, so this is particular tag which is delete tag, and it just cut the content from the very center of its vertical axis. Okay, so why this tag may be used? So you may have visited any e-commerce website or any other platform where there is a discounted price now, and you may have noticed that the price which was actual price of the content was highlighted, like in this case, let's say inside the bold tag we just normally write 1000, and inside this del tag we may write 500. Okay, so we are passing 500 and let me reload it. You can notice it's creating the same content as for the e-commerce site. So this is used for this kind of purpose. Okay, so in this video we discussed some more mark tag, u tag, b tag and del tag. There is also few more formatting tag available, and in the next video we will complete all that tags and we will cover up and create a stylish template by using these mark tags and these formatting tags and the heading and paragraph tag. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next.